So, good morning. This is Mrs. Bond here to show you all how to log into your textbooks, your English textbooks online. So the first thing that I need for you all to do, of course, is to go to your Clever icon. Once you've logged into your Clever icon, I want you all to go to Canvas. And then you're going to find your English class. And then you're going to click on that. Now, once you are in your English class, you're going to look on the left-hand side and you're going to find the word ClassGather. Click on that. This is going to take you to an automatic sign into your textbook. So you're going to click on Savas. And then you're going to choose your class, which is English 1. So you're going to click My Perspective ELA Tennessee Grade 11. If this is your first time setting up your textbook, then you have these simple steps to follow. So we're going to go ahead and do this. Step 1 is where you're going to choose an icon. Braylon, can you minimize my picture? Thank you, baby. So, yeah. Did you pick an icon? So you're in language, we're just going to keep rolling. Go ahead. So you, if you want to choose English, choose English. Hit the drop down on the language, Braylon. For other students who may want to read in Spanish or different languages, you can. You can. You select which language is most comfortable to you. Thank you, baby. Then you're going to pick an icon of your choosing and of your liking. And then you're going to pick a background image that you like as well. And then click done. And then let's go. So from here on out, when you log into your textbook, this will be the screen that you see. So to the right where you see browse, that's your actual textbook. Hold on, Braylon. Where you see classes, if your teacher assigns you any work, it will be underneath this tab right here. And grades, of course, are where your grades for the assignments that you do in the textbook will be placed. Go ahead and click on browse for me, Braylon. Here's where your textbook lies. So you have access to the whole textbook, which is your teacher's edition, or the easiest way is to go to Unit Resources. Go to Unit Resources, Braylon. I believe you all are in Unit 2 right now. I may be wrong, but we'll see. And then here is where you will have access to your text, access to any type of support materials. Scroll up, Braylon, so they can see. You have your writing prompt. You have other readings, because I think you all did Emily Dickinson. Right now, you guys are on what? The love song of, is there, I thought y'all were doing civil disobedience. I may be wrong. Okay, so click on that for me. Click on your textbook again. Here's the coolest thing about your textbook. Your textbook will read the stories to you. And you can actually annotate right here within your textbook. So you're going to start off with your background information and things of that nature. Scroll down for me, Braylon. Here's where if you want to answer questions on the side, you can actually go in and you can click on that. Braylon, do me a favor. Click on the word accustomed. Just double click on it. It's in paragraph 1. Double click. Right here, scroll up so they can see. Scroll up where you see hide. Yep. Right here is where you can actually annotate. You can highlight whatever color you want to. You can circle in whatever color. You can underline. You can actually type in your annotations right here within the text, and you can save it. Your teacher will see your annotations if she has assigned this as a reading, but you will always be able to see your readings. Another cool thing is you see your text, your vocabulary words that are in blue. If you click on that, your vocabulary words, you will be able to hear the word and also receive a definition. Hit X. Alrighty, so let me see. I think that is about it. Typically, hit hide for me, Braylon, at the top. Okay. Hit menu, because I'm trying to find where your, okay, so menu is your notebook and your glossary. These are things that you can look at, like in your textbook, your actual textbook, you will have a glossary in the back. Okay. Hit show for me one time. Typically, when your text is a read aloud or it reads, you will have the play button where you see background. Do you see that anywhere on your screen, Braylon? Click background and let's see if we can find your button. Nope, that's going to give background. And when you're listening to your text, it's going to read the background first. It's going to give you information about the author. And then it's going to go into the actual text. So as we stated earlier, in your textbook, it will actually read certain passages to you. So at the top where you see the play button, you could just click on that. It'll play it for you. You can also adjust your speed. You can slow it down. You can speed it up. That is on you. So what we're seeing is some texts have this option, whereas others do not have this option. So that's it, guys. This is how you get in your textbook. This is how you can access resources that you will use, and this is how you can annotate in that textbook as well as listen to the textbook. Yes, that notebook is also another place for you to annotate. Alrighty. Thank you, Braylon, and thank you guys for listening.